Welcome to My E-Teacher, where we watch, listen and grow. Hi, I'm Pushpa and I'm a teacher by profession. We believe that education is the greatest gift you can give someone. At My E-Teacher, we are a group of professionals who are working to bring together free and quality education for all those who seek it. Let's move on to today's topic. Today, we will learn about articles in English. We know that there are three articles in the English language: a, and the. We will learn about them one by one. Let's first start with the articles a and an. We have to remember that the articles a and an can only be used for singulars, objects which are one in number. They cannot be used for those objects which are more than one in number. Then what is the difference between a and an? Let's first start with the article a. The article a is used with words which begin with consonant sound. For example, a book or a tree. So we see that when the word begins with a consonant sound, then we use the article a. Now, there are certain words which, although begin with a vowel like a, e, I, o, u, but they have a consonant sound. For example, when we say uniform, the sound is u. That is considered to be a consonant sound. So we can have a European city, or we can say a university, a uniform, a European Union. So although all these words look like they begin with a vowel or they begin with a vowel, but the sound is a consonant sound, and hence we use the article a. Then when do we use the article an? It is used for words which begin with a vowel sound. For example, an egg or an apple. It is also used for words such as hour or honesty. Although they begin with an H, that which is a consonant, it has a vowel sound because the consonant H is silent. So we say an hour, an honest man. Remember that it is the sound of the word that matters. It is not just looking at the alphabet and writing an A or an. Now let's look at the article the. Let's look at this conversation. AB says, I bought a bat and a ball. Junior says, was the bat expensive? So, when we first talked about the bat and ball, we used the article a. Then when Junior talked about it, he said the article the along with bat. Why is it so? Because the first time we are talking about an object, it could be any object, like he said, a bat and a ball. Now when Junior is asking him, it is about that specific bat which AB has bought. And so we use the article the. Article the is also used for objects which are unique, which are only one. For example, the sun, the moon, the Eiffel Tower. All these use the articles the along with it. So remember, when we first talk about an object, we use the article a. For example, AB bought a TV. The next time we are talking about it, we use the article the TV that AB bought, because we are talking about that specific TV. The article the is also used along with musical instruments such as the guitar, the piano, the keyboard. Yes, it is also used along with the names of newspapers, for example, the Times of India, for names of rivers like the Ganga, or for names of monuments like the Eiffel Tower, we could say the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar. So, the article the is also used for all of these things. We do not use articles with names of people or places. For example, you cannot say the Pushpa. You cannot say the Mumbai. Yes? So, with names of people and names of places, we do not use the article the or even any other article. So, what did we learn today? We learned about articles in English language. There are 3 articles, a, and the. The is called as the definite article. A and an are called as indefinite articles. A and an are used for singulars. A is used along with words which start with a consonant sound, and an is used with words which start with a vowel sound. The article the is used along with things which are unique, which are only one number. It is also used along with names of newspapers, monuments, rivers, and it is used with musical instruments. It is used when we are talking about a thing for the second or third time, or when we are talking about one specific object. Then we use the article the. I hope you have understood when to use which articles. If you liked our video, do not forget to hit the like button. For many more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends and family. When you love us, it helps us grow. Thank you.